Customizing Google Calendar display on Chromecast. Is it possible?
Hey there! If you're like many of us, you love to display your Google Calendar on your TV via Chromecast. But have you ever wondered if you can customize its look? Specifically, things like changing the font or the background color. Let's delve into that today.
Can I customize the display directly on Chromecast?
First things first, when you're casting Google Calendar to your Chromecast, what you're seeing is a mirror or a projection of your device's screen. Chromecast itself doesn't have a built-in feature that lets you adjust display settings such as fonts or background colors.
So, how can I make changes?
The trick here is to customize your Google Calendar's display on the device you're casting from, which is most often a smartphone or computer. 1. On your device, before you start casting, make any visual customizations to your Google Calendar from its settings. 2. Remember, not all customizations available on the web version of Google Calendar are available on mobile apps, so the level of customization might vary. However, as of my last update in 2021, Google Calendar itself doesn't offer extensive visual customizations like font changes or background color alterations. You might have to look for third-party calendar apps that offer these features and have Chromecast support.
Are there any workarounds?
Absolutely. If you're really keen on customizing, you can 1. Use third-party calendar apps that integrate with Google Calendar, offer more customization options, and support Chromecast. 2. Alternatively, you can screenshot your calendar after applying customizations through graphic design software and then cast the image. It's not live, but it'll look the way you want. While Chromecast doesn't let you customize the display settings directly, and Google Calendar itself might be limited in this regard, there are always workarounds to get the look you desire. Hopefully, this guide has given you some clarity. Happy casting and customizing!